How to find your cheese routing number on app. Welcome back to our channel. So here's the thing: to find your cheese routing number in the app, you want to first log into your cheese app. Once you're logged into your cheese app, you then need to tap the tile for a checking or a savings account you need. Then you want to tap on show details or look for account details and show more. A drop down will display your account and routing number. You may need to verify your identity as well. And on a paper check, the 9-digit number on the bottom left is your routing number. The number in the middle are your account number, followed by a checking number as well. And that's how you could find your cheese routing number on the app. And if you're having any sort of issue finding your cheese routing number, you want to contact support team and they should be able to help you out. How can you find your cheese routing number as well? So thank you for watching. See you in our next video.